Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, depending on what part of the country you're located at. This is Jasir Jamal from Texas 1031 Exchanges, located down south of the country, of course. So before I begin this video, I just want to let you know any video that I have posted by far and that I intend to post in the future, and including this one as well. Everything I say in here is meant for informational and education purposes only. It's not any kind of legal advice. So before you act on any of it, please do your own due diligence or consult with your tax attorney or your CPA or your estate attorney before taking action. So without further ado, let's get into the question and then we'll get into the answer, and that'll be the whole video right there. So, you might ask, so you right now are a tenant at a gas station somewhere, wherever you are. You're a tenant on that property, but you intend on buying that gas station. So here's the deal over here. You have another property that you want to sell and you want to go ahead and buy this gas station you're currently a tenant at. The whole question is, can you do a 1031 that way? Well, the answer to that is it really depends, and this is what it depends on. So, well, you have your relinquished property, you just sold it and you want a 1031 exchange into the property that you currently are a tenant at. It really depends on your behavior as a tenant. If you're a tenant on there for at least like 2 weeks in a year, of course, and you've been a tenant there and you've been paying the fair rental value that normally another tenant would pay if he or she was renting that place out, then you could do a 1031 exchange and purchase that as your replacement property. It should be no issues. But at the end of the day, of course, make sure you're a regular tenant, you're paying the regular fair rental value, and you've been there for like a good amount of time, and you should be able to do a 1031 and buy that as your replacement property. So that's it for me today, folks. I really hope that little question over there was a nice little piece of information that was helpful towards you guys. If you guys have any more questions or comments or concerns, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help you guys. But until then, see you next time.